By harnessing layer comps, you could store several different design options within one Photoshop document. This is a great way to have lots of things available to show your client quickly. Let's see how layer comps work.
Using layer comps is fairly easy, especially if you've set your document up with several options, each contained on their own layers. What we've done here is, while we have a bar with texture, we have 3 different color overlays. I've also placed 2 different fonts, each on their own layer, and we have the logo. Let's go ahead and open up the Layer Comp window by clicking the button here, and it flies out. I want to go ahead and create a new state or layer comp for this image. So I'll click the icon and let's call this orange. And I tell it to go ahead and memorize both visibility for layers as well as their position. Orange, logo, right. Click OK. Let's go ahead and turn orange off and blue on. And now we'll make another new one by clicking the new layer comp icon. Blue, logo, right. Let's do the red. There we are. New comp. Red, logo, right. If I'd like to change the text up, we can do that. In fact, I can even reposition things. Let's go ahead and we'll slide the text down to the right here. Select layer type 2 there. Pull that down. And we'll grab the logo and pull it to the left. There we go, that looks pretty good. And I'll make a new icon and we'll call this one red, logo, left. Go to blue. Blue, logo, left. And let's do that last one with orange. New layer comp. Orange, logo, left. Now it's as simple when the client's in the room that you can go ahead and click the arrows to apply the next layer comp. And this will allow you to quickly step through and show different combinations. Now you're thinking, that's very useful, but what about if I have to send it to the client if they're not in the room? Well, then simply choose File, Scripts, where you could send all of the layer comps either to individual Photoshop files, to a web photo gallery for posting online, or to a single PDF document. This will allow you to specify that you'd like to save the document. Let's go that to the desktop, and we'll call this lower third options. I could then specify that I'd like to use all of the layer comps and automatically advance every 5 seconds. And we can click Run. This will now save each single image into that PDF, which will then open ready for testing and viewing. Says it's successful. Let's go ahead out to the desktop for a moment here, and I'll select the PDF file, and I'll choose to open that up with Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. Here I'll just use Acrobat. There you have it, it opens. And the slideshow automatically is engaged. The first image will load, and then, as I specified, every 5 seconds, it will advance to the next option. You could manually trigger that with the spacebar or the down arrow if you'd like to automatically advance it through your controls. There's the blue option. Let's go to the red. And notice you can quickly showcase all of the different options for your client and make them very easy to view. This PDF file can be easily emailed and shared with several people involved in the design process.